how to remove all TikTok reposts at once. So if you want to remove all of your TikTok reposts at once, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to just simply go with your profile, which will be in the bottom, and then you will have your repost section right here. In my case, I'm not reposted anything, so I'll just simply go and repost a random video. After that, you need to tap on OK. Now go with your profile. Now here, as you can see that I have some repost right here. So if I want to remove the repost, then I'll just simply tap and hold on to the video, or just open the video and then go with share, which will be in the bottom right, and then tap on delete repost, which will be on the right side, and the repost has been deleted. Now, if you want to delete each and every repost, then it's not possible on TikTok. You need to do that individually. So you don't have that feature yet on your TikTok to remove all of your reposts at once. You need to do that manually, one by one. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.